Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal being taken to the court. It's a big day. Will he get bail today or will it be an extended jail term? Remember, this is with regard to the ED case right now, and it's the liquor excise policy issue. Delhi Chief Minister will be expecting from the top court of the country that there will be at least the bail plea that's also being heard. But it's multiple courts. Remember, whether it's Delhi Court, High Court, Supreme Court, where he has approached to challenge the plea, all of this is happening right away. I want to immediately bring in India Today's legal correspondent, Srishti Ojha. Srishti, this is at the Delhi court right now. So tell us why he's being produced there today and what does it look like for Arvind Kejriwal today? Because there's this speculation of an imminent arrest against him by CBI.
Well, yes, Pooja, as we know, yesterday, according to our sources, CBI had questioned him inside Tihar jail because he's already in judicial custody in the money laundering matter. Since he's already in JC, the formal arrest is to take place today, is what we've been told as of now. CBI got production warrants, permission to get a production warrant issued so that they could seek his production before court today, and thereafter today he will be produced before Delhi's Rouse Avenue court. He's already been brought to the Delhi's Rouse Avenue court premises from Tihar jail and is presently in the court's lockup. Around 10 a.m. we can expect him to be produced before Special Judge Amitabh Rawat, who's the current vacation judge who's deciding. Interestingly, few days back only the same court, like the Delhi's Rouse Avenue court, had granted him bail in the money laundering matter, which now stands stayed after ED challenged it before the High Court. So, and today, interestingly, also Supreme Court will also hear Arvind Kejriwal's matter, where they were to decide on the aspect of stay. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers had challenged the interim stay which was granted by High Court on his bail. Supreme Court had asked them to wait. For the final order and then come back to the Supreme Court, which is something the court will that aspect the court will consider tomorrow. However, we can only see trouble mounting for Arvind Kejriwal because that is that's the case which is being probed by the Enforcement Directorate. This is the matter now whether if he's arrested again in CBI matter, regardless of whether or not he gets bail today from Supreme Court, he will definitely, if his custody is sought by CBI, which they are most likely to seek, he will still not be able to come out of custody. Back to you.
What are we then expecting with regard to the Supreme Court, Srishti? Because he's produced at the Delhi court. Supreme Court is where he's put all his expectations right now. How do you think the Supreme Court is going to look at whether the High Court stay or in the matter of the bail specifically coming in for Arvind Kejriwal?
Pooja, as I mentioned, the Supreme Court is only considering the aspect of stay with regard to the money laundering case. This, what the CBI arrest in a way has come in as a very unexpected move, at least as of now. We have seen his lawyers argue for bail in the money laundering matter. In fact, this is one of the arguments that was made by his lawyers that Arvind Kejriwal as of now is not an accused in the main scheduled offence, the main offence which was registered by CBI, and he's only an accused in the money laundering aspect. This has been their constant argument since the beginning. Now that argument in a way falls flat the minute CBI comes into the picture. So today Supreme Court will decide on the aspect of, will hear them on the aspect of the stay on the bail which has been granted to him in the money laundering case. Now here what's important to note is even if Supreme Court decides to grant him some relief somehow and lifts the stay which has been granted by the High Court already, he will not be able to walk out of jail because if CBI seeks his custody and is granted the custody, the same process will now be followed in the CBI matter. So this definitely, the liquor gate heat as we call it, definitely only as of now seems to be increasing on the Delhi Chief Minister. Back to you.
This is definitely getting more twisted with a lot of turns. And remember that if the EDI had placed the case, then the CBI already has recorded the statement. Could the CBI now go for an arrest? Does that mean that Arvind Kejriwal in the next few hours will have the fate decided for the next few days at least, if not weeks, whether it will be bail or extended jail? We'll be tracking all of that and more. Thank you, Srishti, for now. Sanjay Singh, meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party MP who recently came out on bail in the similar case, he's gone all guns blazing. He's saying this is not just about ED CBI. This is the BJP he's targeting. But why the BJP? Take a look.
जुर्म, अत्याचार, जाति की इंतहा हो गई है। विश्वस्त सूत्रों से जानकारी मिली है कि ऐसे समय में जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को जमानत मिलने की पूरी संभावना है, उससे पहले केंद्र की भाजपा सरकार ने सीबीआई के अधिकारियों के साथ मिलकर एक बड़ी साजिश रची है और ये साजिश है अरविंद केजरीवाल के खिलाफ सीबीआई का फर्जी मुकदमा तैयार करके उनको गिरफ्तार करने की। पूरा देश देख रहा है बीजेपी की जाति, पूरा देश देख रहा है केंद्र सरकार का जुर्म।
Latest Arvind Kejriwal has been brought to the Rouse Avenue court. This is where possibly there will be, while the agencies will want to push for extended custody of Arvind Kejriwal, we're told these are the latest visuals on our screen, that he's in the court lockup presently, is what I'm informed. A developing story, and we'll try to get you the details on this as well. But this is going to be important, remember, because the CBI already has recorded a statement in connection with the excise policy. CBI has been given permission to produce Chief Minister Kejriwal before the concerned trial court today, then where he's likely to be arrested. And this is why the ED-CBI issue is brewing here, remember, that they believe that he, even though did not hold the portfolio as the Minister of Excise, he was coordinating with all the businessmen, all the favors that possibly BRS leader K. Kavita got, and that is why he has been taken into custody. Srishti Ojha is back with us. Srishti, just for clarity here again, he's reached the Delhi court. What happens here on, and specifically how will the investigating agencies really want an extended custody of him here?
Well, the first thing that will happen from here on, Pooja, is that he will be produced physically before Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. Special Judge Amit Court is the concerned court where he'll be produced today. The CBI will then have to explain to the court exactly the reason why they've sought his production, and also inform, if there's a formal arrest, then also inform the court about the formal arrest, the time of arrest, etc. Next step would be for CBI to seek his custody, which they're likely to seek today. Inform the court how many days custody they're seeking and the reason. What we have been told that one of the reasons that CBI is, what we've learned from our sources is that one of the reasons, grounds for CBI is likely to cite before the court while seeking his Arvind Kejriwal's police custody is that they have seen some contradiction in the statements which have been given by Arvind Kejriwal as opposed to statements which were given by other witnesses and accused. That's one of the important grounds which they will highlight before Delhi's Rouse Avenue court today. After that, it will be on the court to decide whether or not the court grants the concerned amount of days of police custody which have been asked. If he is sent to police custody, he then would be in CBI's custody with a concerned number of days, and then will be produced before the court again. So the same process as we saw happen in the ED matter, where firstly custody was given to the probe agency, and then eventually he was sent to judicial custody. The same process is likely to be followed if his formal arrest is done today and his custody is sought. And if he wants to get out of jail in the CBI matter now, again this entire process will have to be followed, where he'll have to seek bail from the lower court, and then eventually if he's not granted bail, he'll have to move to the higher courts. So as I said, trouble only seems to be increasing for him as of now, because as of now, until now, he only had to handle the money laundering case and try to get bail only in the money laundering matter. Now he's still in judicial
clearly,
custody.
Srishti, looks like the Aam Aadmi Party has put out all its legal arsenal to ensure that Arvind Kejriwal is able to walk out, while the investigating agencies are also pulling out all the stops to ensure that they see him as one of the big individuals involved who was involved in the conspiracy with favors, with quid pro quo, and that's why he must be behind bars.